pretty good at it. So Jess and I are arguing like we always do, trying to park the trailer. I say it's spot on. He's telling me it needs more. One more Lego block, as I call them. So here we are, all the blocks out, and we gotta put more in just to make this man happy. So, my opinion, he's gonna throw those in and we're gonna be too high. So, we'll see who's right.
Hey, I've been right once before.
I forgot I have to support him no matter what.
Just once?
Just once.
I guess that's all that matters. It's off just a skosh, but...
Hey, I might have been right twice now. I mean, it's close enough now. I mean, that's like an eighth of a bubble better than it was. I don't know if it made a dang bit of difference.
Well, I don't know what you changed.
Anyways, we added the Legos. Actually, we had to back up. It was sliding on the grass.
It was sliding the blocks.
So Dad and I had to like finagle you a little bit here and get you.
Well, we had to get you onto one of these to raise it up so it didn't push it.
Yeah, so.
Auto level would be really nice. And auto level always looks really nice. But there are times that auto level maybe isn't.
One drawback to manually leveling your trailer is I get to stand here and hold the button forever. And then Jesse tells me, stop, go back, stop, a little more.
Well, let's see.
It's probably close.
Stop, go back. Just kidding. We're good. We're level.
We're level.
Yep.
Perfect.
No divorce papers yet, so we made it this far.
So now that you've seen our manual push button up down system, my parents have this fancy that we've toured before. He's had his trailer now.
This was starting of the 4th year.
Starting of his 4th year, and his trailer kind of malfunctioned.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.
This is what the auto level has done.
That dropped it on the back of the truck.
Yes, completely dropped it on the back of the truck. It is on both sides, one side more significant than the other.
So the very front of that trailer, I was backing into it to hook on, but I had to let it down a little bit so that it would latch in the 5th wheel. Well, when I went to lower it, it just dropped it. And it hit here and here, and that's what, and here. But there is no damage to the truck. It didn't hurt the truck anywhere that I can see. It set it right down on. But it not made that whole front end's not heavy enough to support it. You got to tie into that 5th wheel hitch types, where that's what it's made to sit on, not on the edge of the trailer, the nose cap.
Nice. So no damage like your goosenecks do, right?
Yeah.
Done that a few times. Leaves a hole in the bottom of your truck bed.
But it didn't hurt the truck anyway. But it's just something we're going to have to take it in. It's probably not going to be a cheap fix. And now the warranty, I think, is just, well, it has a 3-year structural, but that just ended. So it's going to be on me, whatever it's costs. And I guess we'll have to decide what it's going to cost versus what we really want to do. It might be so expensive we don't just let it go. I don't know.
So is this an opportunity to trade in and upgrade again?
No, no. They're too much money. They don't give you enough for the old ones. And then you can hear.
Don't know what's going on. It's just
We got some other problems internally, and I don't know how bad they are.
Yeah, who knows? Dad's telling me what's going on the inside. Framework, don't know what's going on, so that's gonna go back to the shop after the season is over. But they have this computerized
They're really
system.
nice until they fail.
Yes, really nice until they fail. It's actually happened twice to him in the last, let's see, it happened first time in June, then again after that shortly. Today it didn't, so far it's not gonna glitch again. But it is this fancy computer system. Computers are great in some instances, not so great in other instances. So, not sure what's going on, but we'll have to keep you posted on his story.
We may have to wait a while to finish the video.
Yes.
When we figure it
all out. So I feel like we had to use every block and Lego this weekend. That is the drawback to manually leveling the trailer. And of course, once again, once we get home, we are leveling. Luckily for us, our pad is fairly level, and I just drop the front jacks and we leave it where it is, and Jesse just pulls away. So we'd like your opinion. What do you think on the auto level, manual level? What have you used in the past? What works best for you? Give us a comment below. As always, remember to like and subscribe. We do appreciate it. And above all, enjoy your weekend.